Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the British Racing School ahead of the RMA Stakes annual racing event.
I am part of the social media team here with the Racing Media Academy, and we have come today to create content and showcase the RMA Stakes.
The first runner we have today is horse number 2, Prince Karam, and he's the favourite. A course and distance specialist. We've seen this horse win twice.
But there's been some changes in the betting. 6-4, Dan, tell us more.
It's a very, very interesting race here in the first at Newmarket. It's a £50,000 feature in what looks a trappy little contest. Prince Karam looks a strong contender. He's 2 out of 2 over course and distance, having won this race for the last 2 years.
I mean, I'm quite interested in Prince Karam. I think he'll take the beating. He's out 2 for 2 over the distance and course.
But we can hear more from his trainer with Laura.
Now, Beth, we haven't seen him for a year, but you're going for the treble. Why haven't we seen him for a year?
He just needed his downtime at the end of last season. He's come into this race really well.
Well, what a race that was, the RMA Stakes. Prince Karam does the three-peat. He becomes the king 3 times, Dan. How impressive is that?
That was very, very impressive. Gate speed was so key to the winning this race. I think Roman attacked around well, but he just couldn't live with the favourite. That's a superb performance.
On social, it's taken off. I've had texts and messages all over the place. So everyone's been behind it.
It's been an incredible week, an incredible day, and thank you so much for watching.